Sino dito yung bakante from 6 p.m. up to 11 p.m.?
Alam mo ba na pwede kang mag-part-time sa company namin? Possible mo pong kitain is 20,000 up to 50,000 per month or more depende pa sa time and effort na ibibigay mo.
Ang task mo lang dito is mag-set ka ng appointment sa local and international clients natin. Copy paste lang lahat and online lahat ng transactions. Dapat lang 18 years old and above ka, may cellphone and internet connections.
Kailangan mo lang din magkaroon ng user ID na tinatawag para makakonekta ka sa sistema na ginagawa namin.
This is open for all professionals, students, government employees, OFWs, retired or senior citizens.
Kaya kung interesado ka na magkaroon din ng another source of income this year 2024, well, this opportunity is for you.
Huwag kang mahiyang mag-comment sa video na to ng how para isa ka sa ma-prioritize, mag-guide at ma-assist namin. See you in our inbox. God
God
bless!
bless!